we lighting that off?
Yep. It's gonna be a send-off.
And then he's gonna drive away. Make sure you send me those vanities before you leave.
I will.
We gotta squeeze every hour.
Oh. Yeah. All right, now get out of here. All right.
Oh, Maddie Boombots, I'm surprised I got a answered phone call from you.
What's going on?
Nothing much. Happy Monday. Are you in the office?
These are 200 each.
200.
We are going to Fluff and Fall to film some Happy Nest training videos.
What's up?
Hello.
What are you up to?
I'm updating the Sun Eagles calendar.
2.
Come on, come on. 2.
3.
Yeah.
It's good. I should do that once a day. Good morning. Where are we going?
We are going to my guy. They're in Brook, right?
Yep.
Brook, New Jersey.
And
Well-
it is early.
It's like 7 a.m.
The sun's not even out.
Yeah, I know. We are here. Here comes Rocco. Hello.
Hello.
Simple setup today. Just one light. Shooting vertical, you know those reels. Just got back from the My Guy shoot. Everything went well. Back at the office.
Engaging on Jersey Strong.
Nice.
That's posted, yeah.
Nice. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Jersey
What are
Strong.
we doing today?
We're doing a shoot.
What's up? Jersey, I'm gonna ask you again. Where are we going?
Jersey Strong. Ask Nicole where we're going. Nicole, where are we going?
Jersey Strong Ocean Vacation.
See, that's
Is that what you're looking for? Was that what you were
that's
looking
the
for?
correct.
This whole time?
Yes, exactly. Are you Jersey Strong?
Yeah.
All right, happy Wednesday. It is National Coffee Day.
And we
And
have
we're going
a
to Wawa. Right? It's National Coffee Day.
Yeah, yeah.
And after this, we're going to go to the car dealership and get ripped off and in the ass.
Ooh, the Wawa. National Coffee Day.
The 20 hours.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Where's National Tea Day?
Free coffee.
That's what I heard.
What's up, just a second.
Nothing working.
Perfect.
That's what we got. I got a dentist appointment actually.
Both in the art of dentistry and
See?
spa.
So we thought this computer was good. We were all excited. No good. We got the i7,
Oh.
and now only one of the deck links works.
Ooh.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
That's
it
good
works.
news.
Thank you, Carol.
Yeah, I just need to come in. Aw, little stretch.
Do a fresh pot? Huh? Do a little percolation. Percolated coffee is the best way to have coffee. So this I just kind of eyeball it, but this is coming from a guy with a lot of experience in the percolator. If you're new to the percolator, I do not recommend the eyeballing method because you might be disappointed. We're gonna plug it in, and we will let this brew. And as we are brewing, we can do something else. Looking good. You see that color, boy?